Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Mechanical Engineering Exams Made Simple. Friends, in our syllabus for AE Genco TS, so there is a chapter, there is a topic called metrology and inspection, from which the questions are expected. On an average, you are getting 4 bits or 4 questions from each topic. There are approximately 19 topics, considering it as 20. So there are 80 questions to be asked in the technical paper. So technical part. So 80 questions by 20 topics. So average, on an average, you are going to get 4 bits or 4 questions per topic. So in this particular video, we will see the question from metrology and inspection. So in the metrology and inspection, normally questions are asked and limits, fits and gauges. Let us see the questions from this particular topic. Which of the following is not true for hole and shaft based system? Basically, your tolerances and fits and limits are based on the how hole and shaft basis systems. So he is asking which of the following is not true for hole and shaft basis system. The correct answer is D. In hole based system, allowances are applied to the hole. They are actually applied to the shaft. Right. So hole based system is preferred because it is easy to produce a shaft with specified tolerances than hole. In hole based system, all tolerances are applied to shaft and hole size is taken as the basic size. Next question, friends. Which of the following grade of a hole is mostly used for non-circular fits? There are two types of fits, friends. One is for circular components like circular fit and non-circular fit for non-circular components. Shaft is normally of circular cross section. So here the question is which of the following grade of hole is mostly used for non-circular fits? What is the correct answer? The correct answer is D. That is H9 is the correct answer. Let us see the explanation. H9, H5, H6, H7, these are all the grades of a hole. How many are there? 4. H9, 5, 6 and 7. H9 can be obtained by reaming and boring. These are the two super finishing operations. Basically production operations, friends. For giving a excellent surface finish, normally these operations are used, reaming and boring. Boring, not boring, exactly reaming is used. Okay, boring is used for making a very large hole of greater length. So it is used for non-circular fits. HY can be obtained by honing. These are once again honing and reaming are the super finishing or finishing surface finishing operations. Okay, by honing or internal grinding. H7 can be produced by broaching and grinding. Broaching and grinding. Okay, friends, let us see the correct answer, and the correct answer here is H9. Grinding is used for limited material removal. The material removal rate in grinding is very small compared to the normal production operations like what you call your many operations are there, friends. For example, turning, then what you call shaping. All these operations compared to them, the material removal rate MRR normally we call it as, this is very less of the orders of mm cube per minute. Okay, for in other operations it will be centimeter cube per minute, right? So here the third question is which of the following option is incorrect for clearance fits? So for clearance fit, normally the shaft size is lesser than the hole size. Okay, if the shaft size is more than the hole size, then we are going to have a what you call, there are three types of fits: clearance fit and transition fit and interference fit. In the interference fit, interference fit, shaft size is more than the hole size. Okay, so here which of the following option is incorrect for clearance fits? So shaft A gives a larger clearance, shaft N is used for clearance fits, shaft D can be used for loose pulleys, shaft G is expensive to manufacture. What is the correct answer? Incorrect, sorry. Let us see the answer, friends. Okay, so the answer is B. Shaft N is used for clearance fits. Let us see the answer. Shaft N gives transition fit. Just now I told you, friends, there are basically three types of fits: clearance fit, transition fit and interference fit. So transition means there's a small movement. You can make a small movement between a shaft and your hole. But in the clearance fit, there's a free movement of the shaft in a hole. But in the interference fit, you are required to forcefully push the shaft into the hole. So here shaft N gives transition fit. It gives clearance to only extreme sizes. It is recommended to for tight fits. Grades 5, 6, 7 are available. Shaft A, B and C gives clearance fit. They all give large clearance, so they are not widely used. The correct answer is B. Okay friends, so let us make the correct option for here. That is your B. Shaft N is used for clearance fits. This is the incorrect option. Next, what's the range of shafts which produce transition fit? Just now we were talking about the three types of fits: clearance fit, transition fit and interference fit. Now the question is, what's the range of shafts which produce transition fits? A to H or E to N, D to H or J to N? Got the correct answer? The correct answer is D. That is J to N. J to N. J to N. Let us see the next question, friends. So A to H gives shafts produce clearance fits with H7 basic hole. Capital letters are used for holes and small letters are used for shafts. Okay. J to N produce transition fit with H7, capital H7 basic size. Transition fits may result in either interference or clearance fit. So they are not the it is a in between. Okay, it is either going to result in interference fit, which is extreme case, and on the other side, and it may result in or the clearance fit, which is on the other side. So it will depend upon the actual size of the tolerance of the mating component. Right. Next question. Which grades are available in shaft G assembly? So the question is, what are the grades, types of grades or numbers of grades available in shaft G assembly? So here D 5 to 11. Let us see the answer. 5 to 11. Let us see the answer. Shaft J is a transition fit and available in grades 5 to 11. It is good for location fits which require less clearance than H and also where a slight interference is permitted. It can be used in gear rings clamped to steel hubs. These are practical applications where this particular transition fit is used. For example, in gear rings clamped to steel hubs. The correct answer is D. Just of your mark, friends. Next, we will see the next question. Which of the following grades is never used for fits? This is a good question, friends. Please try to note this. Which of the following grades is never used for fits? Is it H7, H11, or H8, or H9? They are referring to the. He is referring to the whole grade. Holes are normally designated with capital letters and shafts with small letters. So the question is, the answer is B, H11. So H11 type of grade is never used for fits. But why? H5, that means holes, H5, H6, H7, H8, H9, H10, H11 are, these are all whole grades. H10 is not used for diameter fits. Okay, it can be used for milled widths. H11 is never used for fits because this grade is very coarse. H11 is useful only for coarse punched holes or drilled holes. Which of the option is correct about the preference of shafts and holes in machine and industries? A11 is of first preference in shafts. B9 is of first preference in holes. C2 is of first preference in shafts. B11 is of second preference in holes. What is the correct answer? C. That means C2 is first preference in shafts. But let us see the answer for this. A11, C2 referring to the shafts. A11, C2, D9, D11, E8 are the first preference for shafts, and B9, B11, C8, C11, D8 are the second preference for shafts. First preference of holes are A11, D11, E11, F7, F8, etc. and B9, B11, C9, C11, D9, etc. are the second preference for holes. Which of the following option is correct for given statements regarding the selection of fits? Statement 1 is given as shaft H is an interference fit and used only for running parts. Statement 2. Shaft K is the true transition fit of which, what is the correct statement? Let us see the answer. First one is whether they are true or false, or which is true, which is false. D is the correct answer. That means the first statement is false and second statement is true. That means shaft H is an interference fit and used for only running parts is false, and shaft K is a true transmission fit. That is a true. Which shaft is used in valve shafting? Shaft S, shaft F, or shaft B, or shaft T? Shaft S is it is very easy to remember also, friends. Yes, is starting with the starting letter for shaft is S, and you can easily remember shaft S. So the first letter of the shafts is used in valve shaftings. That's how you can easily remember. Shaft, the correct answer is A. Let us see the explanation. Shaft S gives interference fit. Interference fit. Okay. So the inner diameter, outer diameter of the shaft is very high than the least hole diameter. Okay, least hole diameter. Uh, uh, Maximum shaft size is going to meet with least hole size. In this case, it is going to result in interference fit. So there is a if we have to actually force push the shaft through the hole in case of a interference fit, where we don't want any relative movement between the shaft and hole, we are going to use a interference fit. So let us see the answer. Shaft S gives the interference fit. It is used for semi-permanent or permanent assemblies. That means you are not required to remove or disassemble shaft and hole, or the components, or mating components. Okay, mating components are nothing but your shaft and hole of cast iron and steel members. It can be used for wall shaftings, and collar pressed on the shaft. So correct answer is A. Last question, friends. Which of the following gives interference fit? Shaft N, shaft B, shaft M, or shaft G? Shaft P is going to result in interference fit. Why? Shaft P gives a true interference fit and available in grade 6-7 with hole of grades 8. It behaves as a transition fit. It is standard fit for cast iron and steel. Such type of things you can remember. It can be used for fixing a bush on a gear. Shaft G gives clearance fit. Shaft M and N gives transition fit. Please remember which type of shafts are giving clearance fits, which type of shafts are giving transition fits, and which types of shafts are giving interference fit. So interference fit is normally given by shaft P. Okay, friends. So in this video, we have seen some good questions from your metrology and inspection, in which limits, fits, and gauges is a very important topic, friends. Normally, questions are appearing from this particular topic. If possible, we will see some more questions from other important topics from your metrology and inspection. Let us meet in the next video. If you have not subscribed my channel earlier, friends, please subscribe and share among your groups and friends. See you in the next video.